this thing is not yet finished. Oh, there are some cars, but yeah, anyways. Fun, Turtle Daddy takes the T-bird away by the beach boys. And this is not an ordinary Otis with Series M2 or Series 4 whatever buttons. This one is a mod with Bruiser buttons. Here we are at 7. Look outside. Wow. Some people are brave enough to go up to the top level. There are many open spots down below. Look at that, you get the best view of the Guitar Hotel from here. Wow. Ooh, wow, all the way on the other side. Right? Probably not on this, probably on separate controllers. Why do you have to run all the way back? Right, run all the way there. There's one here. Anyways, let's head back down. Slow Ride, Take It Easy by Fogat. Oh wow, it must be Schindler then because of the chime. Here we are at 1. We're only going to take a peek in the other 2 cabs. Wow. What are the indicators? This one's out, so we can look at this one. And here is one of the valet entrances to the hotel. That one comes from like Lucky Street or something. Anyways, here we are. Here it is. We're gonna keep on trying to reach the highest ground by Stevie Wonder. Let's go to 2, which is not marked. Nice door operator. If not, if it doesn't work, then I'll go to 3, because I don't know why the 2 label is moved out. Yep. Alright. And back. Yep, they covered this whole spot, leaving a little doorway. Anyways, that's it.